Good evening, I'm Christelle and welcome to E-Prime, one of the most anticipated events of the national finals for the JCDC's Festival of the Arts competition, the Deaf Dance Finals. It was recently staged at the Little Theatre and members of the deaf community showcased inspiring pieces in their bid to secure the national title.
Here at the National Deaf Dance Festival at the Little Theatre. Our children in all the schools for the deaf across Jamaica have been preparing for this event. We see it as a way of building awareness about child protection in Jamaica. So through our dance activities, they are learning about behaviors that contribute to child abuse, how to recognize it. And then the performance here today is proof that they understand the lessons we have been sharing with them. And so the pieces speak loudly and therefore become a message for building awareness among other students who are not directly involved in dance, or their parents and other members of the general public. Also shows us that deaf children can do whatever they put their minds to. And they have practiced long and hard, and they are alive this afternoon, demonstrating what they're capable of.
Category winners for this year's competition include the Maypen Unit, St. Christopher's, Danny Williams, Jamaica Christian and Listomere Gilby Schools for the Deaf. Legendary dancehall star Moses Beenie Man Davis is showing no signs of slowing down. The king of dancehall continues his unstoppable journey in music and puts the lid on his highly successful Australian tour, which also included 2 headline performances in Qatar and Abu Dhabi. Brisbane, Perth, Sydney and Melbourne all sold out venues throughout the Australian leg. The artist, now on his way back to Jamaica, is next expected to perform at the Carnival Series Scorch in Trinidad and Tobago this May. And on the international scene, Jon Favreau, director responsible for creating the live-action remake of the Disney classic The Lion King, has announced his star-studded cast. Donald Glover signed off as the voice of Simba, James Earl Jones as Simba's father Mufasa, and Beyonce Knowles is the director's pick for Simba's friend and love interest Nala. No final decision yet on Queen Bee's end, but Favreau is willing to do all he can to accommodate her. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Christelle. Blessings.